Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. Children, in the previous videos we discussed about the chemical combination and decomposition reactions. In this session, we are going to discuss about the chemical displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. In this video, we are going to discuss about chemical displacement reaction and activities. What is chemical displacement reaction means? In displacement reaction, one element displaces another element from its compound and takes its place therein. In displacement reaction, one element displaces another element from its compound and takes its place therein. For example, displacement of hydrogen from acids by metals. Generally, metals which are more active than hydrogen displace it from an acid. Let us observe the reaction in the following activity, children. We do this activity with hydrochloric acid and zinc dust or zinc pieces. We collect the hydrogen gas in the balloon. Once observe this activity carefully, children. The material required for the displacement reaction, observe here children. We take the zinc pieces. We can take zinc dust or zinc pieces. Here we take zinc pieces. We conical flask, hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid we can take here, and we take one balloon to do this activity. Here we have observed children. I am taking hydrochloric acid in conical flask, dilute hydrochloric acid in conical flask, and keep the hydrochloric acid aside. Now zinc pieces. Add zinc pieces to hydrochloric acid slowly. Now I am taking balloon and tie the balloon to the mouth of the conical flask. The hydrogen gas is released. Observe here. Closely observe the changes in the conical flask and now observe the balloon. Observe children. You can see the bubbles coming out from the solution and the balloon bursts out. Zinc pieces react with dilute hydrochloric acid and liberate hydrogen gas that we can collect in this balloon. Hydrogen gas released and that hydrogen gas we collect in the balloon. Observe children. Children, now understand displacement reaction. One element displaces the another element. Here zinc displaces the hydrogen gas. Children, observe one more activity for displacement reaction. For this reaction, we can collect two test tubes and two iron nails. Clean them and by rubbing with sandpaper. Take about 10 ml of copper sulfate solution in each test tube. Dip one iron nail in copper sulfate solution of test tube and keep it undisturbed for 20 minutes. Keep the other iron nail and test tube aside. Now take out iron nail from the copper sulfate solution and compare with the iron nail that has been kept aside. Compare the colors of the solution in test tubes. You observe that iron nail dipped in copper sulfate solution becoming brown. The blue color of copper sulfate solution in test tube A fades. The chemical reaction in this activity, ferrous reacts with copper sulfate and changed as ferrous sulfate plus copper. Now understand children, iron is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. This is the example for displacement reaction. Now observe some more displacement reactions here. Zinc reacts with silver nitrate and it displaces the silver. Lead reacts with copper chloride and displaces the copper. These are also examples for the displacement reactions. Observe carefully children. Thank you children.